What's up guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the Sunnyvale Skatepark. And today I'm going to teach you guys 10 important ways to stop on your skateboard. Check it out. First off, I've made this list to be useful for many ability levels. I've listed these stops in order from easiest to hardest. For this lesson, it helps if you can push and stand on your skateboard. If you don't know how to do this, please refer back to my other videos to catch up. Here are the things you guys should do. Wear knee pads and a helmet if you want to be extra safe. Practice these stops enough to build your trust in them. Learn them on clean, smooth concrete first. Master the stops most important to you for emergency situations. The first stop I'm going to teach you is called the run out. The skill level for this is beginner, and the risk level for this stop is low. Here's the foot setup position for your run out. Runouts work best while learning to skate and are a main staple in skateboarding. Runouts are also the perfect way to jump off of your board and over something if you need to. Here are the simple steps for your run out. From riding position, spin your chest forward and lean your head over your front foot, and step off with your back foot into a run out off of your board. Pro tip for this trick, push back with your front foot as you are leaving your skateboard to stop it from rolling. This will probably be the method that you use to stop the most. Number 2, the foot drag. The skill level for this stop is beginner, and the risk level for this stop is low. Here's the foot setup position for foot drags. Foot drags work best for slowing down on flat. These aren't ideal when you're going fast or going down a hill. Here are the simple steps for your foot drag. From riding position, spin your chest forward, bend your front leg, and take your back foot off just the same as you would to push. Now drag your push foot on the ground to slow yourself down, or stop completely. Pro tip for foot drags, you can drag the inside toes of your shoe for a lighter way to brake and slow down. Number 3, the kick out. The skill level for this is beginner, and the risk level for this is low. Here's the foot setup position for your kick out. Kickouts work best if you need to stop quick, going slow to medium speed. Here are the simple steps for the kickout. From riding position, spin your chest forward, lean your head back and step off with your back foot. Stay lean back and balanced so you brace yourself with your push foot and let go of your board with your front foot. Your body will stop and your board will continue to roll on in front of you. Pro tip for kickouts, this stop works awesome in emergency situations. For example, if a car pulls out in front of you or you change your mind right before a big stair set. Remember, forget your board, save your body. You can always buy another board. Stop number 4, the double foot drag. The skill level for this stop is beginner and the risk level is low. Here's the foot setup position for your double foot drag. Double foot drags work best on very steep hills like in San Francisco, or when you have to go down a really long hill with a heavy backpack on. This is a great way to slow down or stop with a cruiser board with soft wheels on it. Here are the simple steps for your double foot drag. Sit in the middle of your skateboard with your chest facing forward and hold on to each side of the board for additional support. Put one foot down on the ground on each side of your board like you're driving a sports car. As you ride down the hill, keep pressure on your feet to slow yourself down to the speed that you feel comfortable with. Pro tip for double foot drags, please watch out for cars when doing this. A lot of cars can't see you when they're pulling out of driveways, so be careful. Stop number 5, the pop-up run out. The skill level for this is intermediate, and the risk level for this is low. Here's the foot setup position for your pop-up run out. These work best for keeping your board with your body while you're running out. This is another important staple in skateboarding. Here are the simple steps for your pop-up run out. From riding position, dig the ball of your back foot into ollie position on the tip of your tail. Slightly bend down and lean back as you pop your board off of the tail, up and forward into your hand. As you pop, lift your front foot up quick so that your board can pop straight up and so your front foot doesn't block your board from getting into your hand. As you pop and catch your board, use that forward momentum to keep running. Pro tip for pop-up runouts, these work perfect for jumping up something extra tall in the middle of a line or while you're being chased by security guards. Trick number 6, the heel drag. The skill level for this trick is intermediate, and the risk level for this is low. Here's the foot setup position for your heel drag. This is one of my favorite and most precise ways to stop on my skateboard. Heel drags work best for slow to medium speed, especially on smooth concrete. Here are the simple steps for the heel drag. From riding position, spin your chest forward and spin your front foot into kickflip position, which is about a 45-degree angle. Now spin the back foot so that your heel hangs completely off the tip of the tail. Lean back so your front wheels begin to lift up and gradually put weight back onto your heel. Drag only the heel of your back foot to come to a stop. The harder you lean back on that heel is the faster you're going to come to a stop. Pro tip for heel drags: your shoe sole will stop you faster and better than the tail of your skateboard. And this will also keep your board free from getting razor tail. So remember, tails are for popping, not stopping. Stop number 7, the frontside power slide. The skill level for this trick is intermediate, and the risk level for this trick is medium. Here's the foot setup position for your frontside power slide. Frontside power slides work best as a quick slowdown at medium to high speed. For all power slide tricks, you need to be going at least a medium speed to break traction of your wheels. You can also use them to come to a complete stop from high speed, but be careful that you don't flat spot your wheels. Here are the simple steps for your frontside power slide. From riding position, bend your knees down to brace yourself and feel extra stable on your skateboard. Slightly wind up your shoulders so your back faces the nose of your skateboard. Unwind and swing your shoulders back to normal once your shoulders line up with your feet. Lean back hard on your heels and lock your body so your shoulders and feet match and move together. As you're doing this, give a little hop to break traction from your wheels so they begin to slide. As you lean back, jam your toes forward into your slide so your board is in front of your body while sliding. Balance yourself until you go back to normal or come to a complete stop. Pro tip for frontside power slides: you can also slide these all the way around to get yourself into fakie position. Stop number 8, the fakie power slide. The skill level for this is intermediate, and the risk level for this is medium. Here's the foot setup position for your fakie power slide. These work best to slide to a stop from fakie or slow yourself down and switch from riding fakie to regular. Here are the simple steps for fakie power slides. Start fakie, which is riding backwards. Bend your knees to brace yourself and feel extra stable on your skateboard. While riding backwards, slightly wind up your shoulders so your back faces the nose of your skateboard, and unwind and swing your shoulders back to normal, much like swinging a baseball bat. Once your shoulders line up with your feet, lean back on your heels and lock your body so your shoulders and your feet move together. As this is happening, give a little hop to break traction and begin your slide. Jam your toes forward into your slide so your board is ahead of your body again. Keep your knees bent and stay down low to continue to balance yourself until you come to a stop. Pro tip for fakie power slides: use this as a high-speed way to change from fakie to regular. Stop number 9, backside power slides. The skill level for this is advanced, and the risk level for this is medium. Here's the foot setup position for backside power slides. Backside power slides work best while carving frontside and backside down a hill, and you can slow yourself down or come to a stop on each side when needed. Here are the simple steps for backside power slides. From riding position, bend your knees to brace yourself and feel extra stable on your skateboard. Wind up your shoulders as if to swing a baseball bat. Quickly unwind and swing your shoulders, and lock your body when your shoulders align with your feet. At the same time with your shoulder movement, quickly lean your head hard over your toes and into a slight hop to break wheel traction. Balance yourself as you slide and come to a stop. Pro tip for backside power slides: I definitely recommend wearing knee pads while learning these so you can lean hard enough to break traction and get into your slide, and you don't have to worry about leaning over and falling on your knees. Stop number 10, the layback slide out. The skill level for this stop is advanced, and the risk level for this stop is high. Here's the foot setup position for layback slide out. Layback slide outs work best in high-speed emergency situations or when you want to get out of a trick on very steep transition. Here are the simple steps for layback slide outs. From riding position, bend your knees down low to really brace yourself strong and feel extra stable on your skateboard. Slightly wind up your shoulders so your back faces the nose of your skateboard. Unwind and swing your shoulders back to normal, and once your shoulders line up with your feet, lean back on your heels and lock your body so your shoulders and feet match and move together. As you're leaning back heavily on your heels, give a little hop to break traction and get those wheels to start sliding. Jam your toes forward and into your slide so your skateboard is ahead of your body. While you're sliding, continue to lean backwards until you land on your butt or your back. Try to relax while you're sliding, look where you're going, and keep your head and your hands from touching the ground. While sliding, Plant your shoes strongly on the ground to slow yourself down if you need to before you slam into something. Pro tip for this stop, many people who skate paddless use this, and it's called a butt slide, to go down big transitions when they get freaked out. Here's how to bail for most of these stops, excluding double foot drag and layback slide out. Continue with your momentum as you are moving forward. Lean your head forward into a run out and safely away from your skateboard. Your skateboard should stay behind you as you run out. My overall pro tip for these stops, choose your favorite of these and get really good at these as a way to save you in emergency situations. Here are some related trick ideas to inspire you for more combinations. For beginner, try frontside power slide to fakie. For intermediate, try backside power slide to fakie. And for advanced, try backside power slide to regular. The skate term for this lesson is razor tail. This is when your tail gets filed down to a sharp point from dragging it on the ground to come to a stop. Please share this channel with your friends or anyone who would benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. Please send donations to help us to keep making new videos for you. Click the drop-down arrow next to the video title for donation details. Leave me your comments with your location, including any questions you may have, ideas or lessons for future videos, and your thoughts or feedback about this video, so I can continue to do my best to help you guys reach your goals. I hope you guys learned these stops and got a better understanding of skateboarding. Please help support me and click the like and subscribe button to encourage me to make a new video for you each week. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to meet me back here for more of your favorite skate park lessons. Should I say the? I said the. It sounds weird though. The most used ways? It doesn't make sense. Excelente. All right, from Friday. Trick number 6, the heel drag. Trick number 6, the frontside power slide. What is this, number 6? This is trick number 6? You sure? No. Dude, I think we're off. So we're off a number? Wait, next it, see where we're at. So this would be number 9. So we missed number 8.
Yeah, I hate you guys.
Layback slide outs work best in high-speed emergency situations. Can I help you? National Geographic, here we go. I wung it. Okay, pro tip. I winged it.